Hello, you guys, Miss Steele here. I thought that today, since we have been focusing on line, we can make an art project together using line. What we're going to need is some paper, a pencil, and an eraser. Definitely art tools that we use a lot. And then you're going to want something to color in with. So I have some markers, and then I have this little plastic bucket of crowns. So that's what I have, but you can use whatever you have to color with. But I'm going to set those aside because first we want to draw. We're going to draw a hot air balloon, and it is going to have all different types of lines on the inside. So to start our hot air balloon, right towards the bottom of our paper, we want to draw a kind of short line right there in the middle towards the bottom of our paper. What we're going to do now is we're going to make a round line that goes all the way around from this to this. And we're going to make it big and round to make the top of our hot air balloon. We're going to go up and over and out, and then we're going to scoop on over and come down like that. So I made my lines, and then I took my pencil and I went up, over, around, and then back down. We want to draw a little basket for our hot air balloon. So what we want to do is underneath where we drew our hot air balloon, we want to draw a little basket for them. So what I do is I draw one line and then another line underneath it, and then I connect them. So I can have a basket. And then we don't want our basket just floating next to our hot air balloon. So we want to bring some lines to our basket. So maybe I'll add 1, 2, 3, and maybe I'll add 4. So we drew our hot air balloon, and then we drew our basket. So now what we want to do is add some different lines to decorate this part. That's the main part of our hot air balloon. So we talked about a lot of different kinds of lines, but I think I'm going to start with the line that we probably use the most. And I'm going to draw a straight line right here. So I'm going to take my pencil and draw a straight line, like that. There are a lot of different types of lines, so underneath my straight line, I'm going to draw a wavy line, like that. And so I'm going to take and go up and down. I'm going to move my pencil back so you can see better. Up and down, up and down, up and down. And that's our wavy line. For our next line, I think I'm going to do a zigzag line. So for a zigzag line, we go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So I'm going to do that to make my zigzag line. I'm going to go up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So now we have 1, 2, 3 different kinds of lines. For our last line, I'm going to do a swirly line. So I go up, over, and down, up, over, and down to create my swirly line. So that's going to be my next line. So I'm going to take my pencil and go up, over, and then back down, up, over, and then back down. And that's going to help me make my swirly line. So now we have our hot air balloon, and it's all drawn, and we have different kinds of lines. So now what we're going to do is we're going to start adding some color to it. You can color in yours however you would like, but what I like to do first is I like to outline everything in markers, so then whenever I color it in with crowns, I can still see all of my pretty lines that I drew. So I'm going to outline mine in marker, and then we're going to color it in together. So I'm going to outline it in marker, and then we're going to color it in together. Alright, so I got it all outlined in marker. So now all we have to do is add color to all of our different areas. So we could color in our basket. I'm sorry if it's shaking a little bit. It looks like my desk might be shaking while I'm coloring this. So we can color in our basket, and we can color in all of these different sections, and I think I'm going to color them in kind of based on whatever color I did for the outline. So we might do purple in here. And then we'll do light green here. And then we can do blue. And then let's finish with pink. So we have our green, and now we can move on to our blue. Pull up my sleeve a little bit. And then for around your hot air balloon, you can color that in however you would like. So around here, if you wanted to color it and make it nighttime, you could make it nighttime. If you wanted to just color it blue and white and add clouds, you could do that. That is up to you for your background. I think I might color in my background and make it look like sunset. So I might do some yellow on the bottom and then use a bunch of warm colors on the top, like orange and pink maybe, and purple for my sunset. I'm not really sure yet. But that is it. So then around your hot air balloon, you can color it in however you would like. You could do a blue sky and you could add in some clouds. You could do a sunset. You could do it at nighttime. That is up to you. I will see you guys all next time. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your morning, your evening, your afternoon, whenever you're watching this.